Hi, I'm Eleri. I'm the Apprentice of the Year for Accountancy. I went down the AAT accounting route because I wanted to be an accountant. I actually went to university initially, decided university wasn't for me, and had the opportunity to do an apprenticeship through accounting, which was the best option for me. I started working for Audit Wales 2 years ago. I started the apprenticeship at the same time. So I'll be finishing in a year's time. I've done my level 2, 3 and 4 through Audit Wales and through grŵp Llanelli. I think that an apprenticeship route is the best route into getting into audit because you learn on the job and you get the technical knowledge through the AAT apprenticeship, but you also use that in practice through doing audit work. When I started the apprenticeship, I was really shy and quite introverted, but through the help I've had through the college and my colleagues, I've really come into myself and I've gained so much confidence, and now I'm happy to speak with people high up in the accountancy world, which I never imagined I'd be able to do at the start of my apprenticeship. AAT has given me a really solid base to go onwards in my career within audit and accountancy. I would like to go on to study the ACA qualification next. I'd like to stay with Audit Wales, so that's what I'm working towards at the moment. I think the best advice I could give someone who's considering starting an apprenticeship is go for it. It's a fantastic opportunity to both earn and learn, and especially in North Wales, where we want Welsh speakers and young people to stay in the area. I think it's a fantastic opportunity to do it through an apprenticeship.